Today is March 31st of March 2026, and it's the last day of Judy. Yeah. So it's so init, guys. Nakapakainit. And tanghali na kami. 8 na kami nag-hike. That's why napakainit na nakakahingal na lalo. Kasi sobrang tarik na yung araw. Pero lumalaban tayo. Kasi last day of July. Makakapag-rest na ulit tayo. Makakapag-rest na yung back natin, yung paa natin. And everything. So, ayan. Malapit na ako makarating sa school. And, ligat may pawis, guys. Pinagpawisan na talaga ako ng malala. Para na ako maligo ng pawis. So, yun. I'm almost at school. And have a great day, everyone.